Hello everyone, welcome to the short series of the Nature-Inspired Computing. Overview of Nature-Inspired Computing. Definition. Nature-Inspired Computing, NIC, is a branch of computational intelligence that draws inspiration from natural and biological systems to design algorithms and problem-solving techniques. Historical background. Early work began in the 1950s to 60s with artificial neurons. To 1990s to 2000s. Biological systems, evolutionary processes, genetic algorithms, neural networks next, immune systems, cellular automata. Inspiration from natural systems, swarm intelligence, physics and chemistry, ecological, environmental systems. Nature-inspired computing leverages biological and natural